Hey, it's Krista with WTI. Are you looking to add some high-end finishes to your powder room? Well, look no further. The KES toilet paper holder is going to help take your space from standard to luxurious. Let me just tell you some of the features that really make this product a wonderful addition to my powder room. The sleek, modern design of this toilet paper holder really make it a beautiful addition to any space, but especially if you have modern matte black and brass or gold finishes, it's going to match perfectly and just add that little touch of extravagance to a small space. Aside from being beautiful, the functionality is also wonderful. Its size is just perfect, so it fits anywhere from a traditional size roll of toilet paper all the way to the ultra extra large rolls. They are installed and removed with no problem, and you'll be able to just roll away without a care. I do really believe that this small feature has added a lot of elegance to my powder room, and so if you're looking to upgrade your space without breaking the bank, I think you'll love this KES toilet paper holder, and that's my point of view.